So in this video, I want to talk about the big D, the D word in network marketing and myEcon. And that, my friend, is duplication. How? How do you duplicate inside of myEcon? And what is the easiest way to do this? What is the easiest way to get actual real results? Well, first off, we're going to talk about what it's not and make sure that everybody here is on the same exact page. Now, really quick before we dive into this, make sure you watch this video all the way through. Get all the detailed information so you can make an informed decision. You can know and understand how this all works and how you can get real results with myEcon. And also, if you're new here, checking me out, myEcon, whatever it is, and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content. You, my friend, will be the first to know. So, without further ado, my friends, my name is Daniel. I am a CEO Infinity with myEcon, been with them since 2018. And, you know, when you look at network marketing opportunities, a lot of people kind of, they get scared. They'll use the key phrases, cliche phrases, pyramid scheme, Ponzi scheme, blah, blah, blah. And it couldn't be any further from the truth because myEcon, like thousands of other network marketing opportunities, provide real products, real services, real value. And it's not just a recruiting scheme to make money. But the key question is, how do you create passive income? Passive income. How is that possible? How do you create that with duplication? That's really what it all comes down to. So that's what we're going to break down here. So let's dive into it. Now, traditional network marketing companies, what they want you to do is they want you to go make a list of your 100 friends and family, right? 100 friends and family. That's what you're asked to do in most companies. And the average everyday person does not want to do that. Let's just be honest with you. Like nobody wants to make a list of their friends and family. It's just, you might as well drag your nails down a chalkboard and nobody wants to do it, right? Not to mention that, if you look at just, traditionally over the last several decades of people doing this, most people doing this don't succeed because it's just stuff that people don't want to do. So they're not going to put the effort, the energy, the enthusiasm, the passion into it. People don't get the results that they're looking for. So what is it that you can actually do in myEcon with the funnel team? What do we have that actually is different than going the traditional route of pitching all your friends and family? Well, it's actually quite simple. Okay. Chances are you are watching this video, you are on social media. Okay. So social media can consist of multiple different formats. You have YouTube, right? You have Facebook. Okay. You have TikTok, you have Instagram, you have all these other platforms out there that people use to consume infotainment, entertainment, to learn things. YouTube here is a search engine. So when you tap into these social networks, it makes it a lot easier because a lot of the work, a lot of the thing that you actually have to go do to get the word out is already done for you. So that's a box that you can check here when you're looking at myEcon, when you're looking at creating duplication for your network marketing team. Our system, which I'll show you here in a minute, we have a done for you series that you go through and it's essentially plug and play where you take our existing content and you can just share that. Now, here's the big thing that a lot of people are going to ask. Okay, what if I don't have a big following? What if I don't want to pitch to friends and family? Cool. No problem. 100% understood. And we got you. Okay. Because most people that get started do not want to pitch to friends and family. They do not want to, be spammy Kathy or spammy Sammy in people's inboxes and reaching out to their Uncle Phil and all those other things. People want to be able to build a business, but they don't want to have to pitch friends and family. They don't want to mingle the two. And that's traditionally most people that we've seen over the years of doing this. So what we have a lot of people do is they will start and they will create brand new either Facebook accounts or TikTok accounts. Now, TikTok is a phenomenal place to get started because it's very user-friendly, and I would say it's the most forgiving platform when it comes to getting out there and building your business. It's one of the ones that we rely heavily on to build our business, and we have training on this. We teach this. So essentially, let's ideally take TikTok here for a second. Say if you're going to get out on TikTok, you create a basic profile and you set up your TikTok account. Now again, we're going to show you how to do this. Check the box. We're going to show you step by step how to do this, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of our content, okay? We're going to give you the content. You don't even have to create it. We're going to give it to you. You're going to upload that to TikTok, and then there's going to be a little video right there, okay? Now, you upload that. Someone's going to watch your video. When they watch your video, that video is going to give them the specific call to action or CTA to go hit your link. Check out your link. Whether your link is in the comments, your link, you put the link literally right on your video. You have the link in your profile. Again, we're going to show you how to do all this stuff, okay? So someone watches the piece of content. The call to action is to go check out your link. Your link is literally your sales funnel, okay? We're going to give you a sales funnel that's going to do all of the selling and telling for you. You don't have to be salesy. You don't have to worry about how to phrase things, what to say to people. You don't have to pitch anybody. You don't have to do any of that sort of stuff. The sales funnel, okay? Someone watches your short form piece of content. They like what they see. They're going to go into your sales funnel, and the sales funnel is going to do the selling and telling for you. Again, check the box. No pitching, no selling, no recruiting, none of that. You're just taking the done for you piece of content that we give you, and you're sharing that out to social media. Now you can share that out to TikTok. You can share that out to Facebook. You can share that out to Instagram. You can share that out to YouTube. Okay. And again, we give you, I think we have probably close to 1,000 pieces of content in our team training site that we're going to give you. So for the average everyday person that is getting started with myEcon, this is how our team is creating that duplication. Again, remember the big D word, the big magical D word, which everybody wants inside of network marketing, is duplication. How do you create duplication for the average everyday person? So this is, in a nutshell, pardon all the scribble here, but this is essentially what it looks like. Average person's coming in, they're going through our training. And again, I'm going to show you the training site so you can see it for yourself. They're going to grab a piece of content. We walk you through everything that you see here on your screen, everything that I've talked about. We walk you through all of this step by step. Okay, so you really can't mess it up. If you can follow basic directions, okay, just like the first day you started at your job. Did you know and understand every single aspect of your job? No, of course not. You had to learn some of that stuff on the job training, right? This is the same thing. We're going to teach you, show you step by step exactly what to do. You're going to learn how to grab these pieces of content, share them out to social media, okay? And then from there, your sales funnel does the work for you. It's that simple, okay? So let me just clear all this out. Let me head on over to our team training site and actually show you. Let's go show you what it actually looks like here. Okay, so this is our team training site. No secrets. Okay, no gatekeeping here. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to go download our app. This is where you download our app and you set up your sales funnel. Pretty simple. Actually, before you even do that, you're going to watch this overview video. Start here. Watch this first. It's pretty simple, right? You really can't mess that up. This video right here, okay, you're going to watch this. We're going to show you how to plug into our team email list. Down here, there's a button. We're going to show you how to plug into our Facebook group. All those basic things. We're even going to show you how to go set up your income shifting so you can start putting more money back in your pocket today with myEcon. Again, super simple. So once you set up your app, once you get your sales funnel set up, then we're going to show you how to promote it. Literally what I just showed you on that sheet of paper a second ago of how to share your content out to social media, that's what start promoting is. We're going to show you how to do that step by step, click by click. Follow us along. Do exactly what we show you how to do on video. Simple, right? We're going to show you how to use your myEcon membership. We're going to show you what to do when you get a sale. When someone goes through your myEcon sales funnel and they decide to pull out their credit card and get started, you make a commission. We're going to show you how to plug them in, what to do when you get a sale, exactly what to do. What information do you send them? Do you have to explain anything? No. Do you have to get them on a conference call? No. Do you have to get them to a webinar? No. Do you have to meet them at a coffee shop? No. You can literally just follow the training that we have right here. You send them one piece of information, it goes from there. It takes them right from here to this team training site. It's really simple. The vault. This is where all of your content is. Thousands and thousands of videos of content, additional training, courses, all of that stuff, bonuses. This is where we give you 3 free courses valued at over $2,200. They're yours, absolutely free, just for starting your myEcon membership. So, in other words, my friend, the key to duplication in myEcon, the key to duplication in network marketing, is following some very simple steps that anybody could do. And you don't have to pitch friends and family. You don't even have to get on camera if you don't want to. Okay. Now, I would strongly recommend it because people want to know who they're joining. But at the end of the day, this is, works very well for the average everyday person that's just getting started, that wants to, dip their toes in the water and get their feet wet and figure out how this whole thing works and how that whole duplication model works so you could create that passive income. You have found it, my friend. And we've been using this exact model, this exact system, these same types of sales funnels for many, many years. And they work well. Okay. If they didn't work well, I wouldn't be here. You wouldn't be hearing me speak on this video. Okay. But it works incredibly well, and it's helping thousands and thousands and thousands of people. As a matter of fact, our system right here has helped over 10,000 people. It's now up over 11,000 people make their first dollar online. Guess what, my friend? If it can work for them, it can work for you too. Hope you got value from this video. Hope you have a little more understanding now of how to create massive duplication in your network marketing business or myEcon business. If you want more information about the funnel team, who we are, what we do, how we are, literally the largest and fastest growing team inside of myEcon, I'm going to leave a little end card trailer here for you at the end of this video. You could simply tap on that, watch my full overview, see everything you get, all the value, all of it. And while you're here too, do yourself a favor. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I put out new content about myEcon, about making money online, about other cool stuff. You hit that little bell icon, you, my friend, will be the first to know. Excuse me. I don't know why I'm getting hoarse here, but appreciate you. Thank you for watching, my friend. And of course, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.